Today I will share the easiest way to make 3D map animations using Canva. So let's start with it. So I will come to Canva's homepage, and in social media I will choose YouTube thumbnail canvas because currently this format works only in 16:9 aspect ratio. So I am choosing this format. Okay, now scroll down to apps here, and in the search bar search for map video and choose the first option here. So by default it would be 5 seconds, so you can change it to either 2 seconds, 5 seconds or 10 seconds. So I am making it 10 seconds, which is the maximum duration. And for the plain icon type, currently here it is 3 icon types, so I am choosing the middle one. And in the country, by default is Brazil and India, so I am changing it. For country 1 I am changing it to Argentina, and for country 2 I am changing it to Spain. Okay, so here by default it is selected to add flag fill, or you can also select add text, or you can select just the add text. So I am selecting both add flag fill and add text, and just click on create video by scrolling down, and it will take some time. And click on add to design and make it to the same size as the canvas, make it bigger. Okay, so let's play it. So this is the animation, as you can see. So currently in this animation I feel there are some flaws which needs to be worked on. So first of all, in this animation you can't change the text font. As you can see, if you click even on edit also, you can't change the text part. You can just adjust the video brightness, contrast, highlights, but there are no option to change the text font. Also, if you want to change the world map part, like if you don't like this world map and if you want something to choose from the elements, like here if I write world map, you can see there are many photos here. So if you want to choose something from them, you can't do that currently, but I hope the creators, the Canva creators are working on it, and they will come with a solution, and that will be best. Because first of all, I don't like this font. This font needs to be changed, because I prefer to work mainly on Anton or any type of sans font like Canva Sans, DM Sans, like that. But here even it is not specified which font is this, so I can't even tell you which font is this one. So it is looking like Poppins type of font, but I am not sure about that. But hopefully they will give a edit option in the near future. But currently this is the easiest way to make 3D map animation using Canva. So please share your feedback in the comments and let me know for which two countries you are making this Canva map animation. Hope you like this tutorial, and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to learn next. Thank you.